Hi guys, good evening, good afternoon. So, I'm sorry. Now, see, they are updating one. Now, see, look, they are starting for the, what is called that? In underground. Yeah, see, look at that. It's construction here in Saudi Arabia. Yan po. Ganyan po ang construction dito. Ano ng klima dito, ano? Hindi siya masyadong init. Ngayon tanghali lang naman yan. Only lunch time. If they're eating time, it's totally cold here. Yan po. Palagay sila ng ano dyan, ng pipe para pasukan ng kable. Yan. Yan po. Halos tapos na rin sila sa paglalagay ng kable. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.